Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do some kind of eye look using James Charles palette. I finally got my hands on this palette few days back. I had done the haul because in Dubai you can't order it from Morphe website because they don't deliver here, so you have to go through some websites, and I purchased it from Glamazil, and usually they get out of stock really fast. So as soon as I saw it, I purchased it. So here is the palette. So we'll use this palette today. I have already done my face, foundation, highlighter, everything. I just have to do my blush and eyes, so that's all. So we'll just start with the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and also you can like and share my video if you want, and comment, and you can also follow me on Instagram, and because I post a lot of pictures related to my videos on Instagram. So we'll just start with the video. The palette is huge. I mean, it is huge. I know this palette came long back, but I couldn't get my hands on it. The outer packaging is white, but the inner packaging is black. It is really big. I think this is much bigger than their 35 pan palette. Yeah, because this has more than 35 shades, and this is how the palette looks. It is really nice. Only thing I don't like, this, the names are in this paper, and I don't like that. I wish they really write the names below the pans, because there is a lot of space, so you can write the name below the pan, because no one keeps that paper. It is really hard to keep that paper. So this is really nice. It doesn't have a mirror, but that's okay. The center pans are really nice. You have a white and black shade, you have a nice shimmery shade, and you have a lighter shade, this shade. These 4 shades you can use in your crease, so it is really nice that they have a bigger pan. White and black is always a must. And this shade, it is a nice shimmery shade. You can also use a highlighter, or you can use it on the brow bone, so that's really good. I am really not sure what kind of look I am going to do, because they have a lot of colors. I mean, a lot. I think first I will take this shade. In the camera it is looking yellow, but this is a nice orange color, so we'll put that in the crease. So I'm going to use that shade in my crease. Always use a light hand so that there is not a lot of pigment at once in one place, and then it is difficult to blend it out. We'll do most of the color in this part, then the rest, whatever is left, we'll put it in the inner corner. I had already primed my lids using my Tarte Shape concealer, or you can also use the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I always use the shade Soft Ochre. I think there is one more shade that other people use. I think that is Painterly. These two are the most common shades people use. This is blending really nicely. We are done with the crease. Now we'll take a more denser brush. We'll take Morphe R39 and I think we will go with this shade, the shade next to it. I don't know what are the names. I'm not going to attempt also to search the name in the paper. We'll take that and we'll put it in the crease. This is really pigmented. We'll just focus this on the outer corner. This is really nice. I'm not going to do any fancy eye look. Maybe we'll do half cut crease because I'm really liking how it looks on my eyes. We'll just put this in the outer third and the rest we'll just blend it in the crease. You have to be really patient and really slow with how you are doing, otherwise there will be a lot of color at once and then you won't be able to blend it out. We'll do a wiper motion. Then we'll use the same brush which we used earlier, fluffy brush, and we'll use the first color which we used in the crease and we'll use the same color again and we'll just blend out the two. Because whenever you are blending, the colors usually wash off and then you have to build it again. Again we'll use the second color with the same brush and we'll just deepen up the outer corner. Now we'll use a more darker shade. Oh my god, this palette is so big. Now we'll use this shade. First we used this, then we used this. Now I'm going to use the shade below this. This is more of a red color, not exact red, but this is nice red color. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to put this in my outer corner. I don't know how it is going to look. Oh my god, wow, this is really nice. We'll just focus this in the outer corner. There is a little bit of fallout. I'm just going to put powder under my eyes. We'll just put this in the outer corner and then just blend it lightly in the inner corner. You can build on what intensity you want. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I am going to use the first shade just to blend out the colors once more, because I don't want to be I don't want it to look harsh. It has to look really smooth. It should look like an ombre, light yellow, orange, red. So this is how it is looking. Now I am not sure what I want to put it for the shimmer shade. I have these 5 shimmer shades. Now we'll just cut my crease using my concealer. I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand and just do half cut crease. I'm going to use a flat brush. This is from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to cut my crease. Put little and just, and wherever it touches, then just join the, I can't really talk while I'm doing this, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is what I have done. We have to do the cut crease from inner part to 2/3, and we have to do this if you want much more opaque shimmers. If you want a loose wash of color, you don't have to use a concealer, but I love this because it gives a defined look. So this is really nice. Now I'm really not good at doing it really sharp, but I'm trying. Now I don't know what color should I use. I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to take, let's see if this works. I'm going to use my Fix Plus. I think I'm going to use this shade. Let's see how it looks. I don't know whether you can see. I think first we'll do this side. I don't think this is looking good. I think I am going to use my finger. Or should I do some other color? I don't know why the shimmer shades are not that pigmented. I don't know why, but they don't seem that pigmented. I don't know. I'm using some wrong technique. What I'm doing wrong, really not able to understand. Now I'm going to take this brush and use the orange shade just to blend the shimmer with the matte shade. I don't know, the shimmer shade kinda spoiled my look. Let's see, I am going to take a darker shade. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to join the matte shade with the shimmer shade using this shade. This is more of a bronzy shade. This is really pretty. Now it's better. Now we'll do our under eyes. We'll take the same brush and we'll use the orange color and use it on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the red shade and put it on the lower lash line. Don't forget to join your lower lash line with your eyeshadow. So this is what it is looking now. I'm just going to dust off the powder. I think for my inner corners I'm going to use this Stila ones. I think I'm going to use this one. This is the shade Stylish. I'm going to put this in my inner corners. See how glittery and sparkly it is. Really nice. Okay, now I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs matte eyeliner. This is in the shade Pop Ular. I'm going to use this in my waterline. So this is how it's looking. It is looking really nice. Now I'll just do rest of my face and I'll be back and I'll let you know my opinions about this palette. So guys, this is the final look. I just applied my blush and lips. I used the Morphe Trio blush in Pop of Coral. I applied ColourPop Ultra Satin Lips. This was the collaboration with Kathleen Lights. It is in the shade Rever. I think Rever. And I just did my hair. So this was my final look using the James Charles palette. The mattes are really nice, but I was really struggling with the shimmer shades. I don't know whether they are a top coat or not, but they were not as shimmery and metallic as I wanted it to be. So I have to play more with the palette to I love that palette, but I have to work a bit more with the shimmer shades, and there's no problem in that. I'm okay with it because I have similar shades in other palettes as well. There's no problem. But if you want to do really cool looks, colorful looks, this James Charles palette is really nice and it will last you a really long time, and I really love it. Just a bit problem with the shimmer shades, but that's okay. And I really love how this eye look turned out. It is really bold, I mean very bold, but I really love it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye.
Hey!